LexaGene presents A Tale of Two Tales. Meet Fiona and Debbie. Both love their cuddly companions, Brick and Champ. Recently, Brick and Champ weren't feeling so well. They were frequently needing to be let outside and were often straining to go. The poor things. Concerned for their well-being, Fiona and Debbie took Brick and Champ to their veterinarian. After examination, it appeared that both were suffering from a urinary tract infection. Champ's vet prescribed an antibiotic. Brick's vet first took a urine sample and ran it on LexaGene's MiQLab. In about 2 hours, the UTI was confirmed. Antimicrobial resistance was identified, and Brick was prescribed the appropriate antibiotic. About a week later, Brick was feeling much better, but Champ still wasn't himself. So Debbie decided to make another vet appointment. The vet confirmed that Champ still had a UTI, so the vet prescribed a different antibiotic, the same medication that Brick was given. Within a week, Champ finally started feeling better and more like himself. For about the cost of other clinical diagnostic testing, Fiona's decision for choosing evidence-based treatment using the MiQLab was more than worth it. In fact, when considering the cost and time for additional visits, unnecessary antibiotics, and soiled floors, there wasn't much of a difference. But for Brick, he was able to feel better sooner and avoid exposure to the risk of unnecessary antibiotics due to limited diagnostics. Next time, Debbie and Champ will insist on getting a PCR test on the MiQLab because evidence-based treatment really does pay. Save time, money, and doggone it, improve the welfare of your patients and pets. Insist on using PCR diagnostics for better pet health care. Start by visiting LexaGene.com.